What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be giving you 5 more tips on what I wish I knew as a beginner artist. So the first tip I have for you is to pick the right tools. You don't want to use a small pen or brush on a large area. Some people say that size doesn't matter, but I feel like the tools were made in different sizes to be utilized as such. Even the pros don't use a one-size-fits-all, unless you're Kim Jong-gi, but that man's a whole different level. Use reference. I can't express how crucial it is that you use reference in your art. The power of reference is that you're drawing what you see, not what you think it should be. It can be a very, very powerful tool to help you learn. Tracing circles and lines. I know, you're thinking, Brandon, tracing is cheating! That may be true if you're copying somebody else's work, but just tracing circles and lines can help develop your muscle memory. This way, you take less time to draw that initial circle on the page when you're drawing a face, and more time thinking about your next move. Tip number 4, gesture drawing. Now, gesture drawing is great for learning how to draw the full figure. You're basically just drawing a stick man with curves, and after you've got it down to a science, you can draw the full figure and then learn anatomy. It's very, very easy to do and very, very easy to practice. So I encourage you to pick up a book or video on gesture drawing and try it out. Read a book or watch a video. If you're struggling to learn on your own and you're wanting a teacher, look no further than right here on YouTube or your local library. It's very easy to find books on the process of drawing or videos on the process of drawing, and they are super helpful. Some channels I suggest are Proco, and even Jim Lee's channel helps a lot if you're looking into getting into comics. If you're looking for more of a hands-on approach, try to find some artists that do live streams on YouTube or Twitch. I do live streams every Tuesday and Thursday from 12 to 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Twitch. If you want to come hang out with me, ask me some questions, anything, the link is in the description. Now that we have all 5 of the tips that I offered you in the title of this video, it's time for one last bonus tip. Never give up. This one is self-explanatory. The biggest failure is not trying at all. Stay true to yourself and practice every day, and you'll be great in no time. In the famous words of Bob Ross, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. So use your happy accidents as motivation to get better at your craft. It can be hard sometimes, and you will get discouraged, but I've found motivation and inspiration in my friends on Twitch and even YouTube. Well, I hope this helps you guys in your journey on becoming a fantastic artist. Feel free to join the Discord and post your work. Link is in the description. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you gained any value from it, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell for notifications every time I post a video. As always, you can get prints right here, and you can follow me on my socials and the links in the description. I'm Brandon, and I'll see you next time.